Okay, just a quick demo here of the QSI Maxx Traxx model railroad sound effects system. Basically, you can see it's a relatively small box here. We've got a couple control buttons. It's got a little wiring harness that connects to your power source. Basically, two wires connect to the track power, and two wires connect to the accessory connection for power. And it's also got a small, about 1.5 inch speaker with a small plastic resonator tube underneath it. Amplifies the sound a little bit. The idea being that you hide the speaker somewhere on your train layout and use the control panel to create sound effects. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. That's the air compressor on a steam locomotive. This is the MTX 604 Small Steam sound module, and of course when you power it on, it does a number of different sound effects controlled by the three buttons and a combination of the three buttons, and it does a number of things automatically as well, like the powering on. I'll go ahead and just ring the bell. See, push it again to stop it. The horn. Brake. And then it's also got, I'm going to go ahead and give it some power, which will emulate the kind of a slow chuff. Giving it more power. You can hear it kind of going off into the distance.
Now arriving from Springfield on track 1, the Central Limited. Watch the step.
I'm going to turn it off. It does a lot of different sounds. That's just a sampling of a couple of sounds. Like I said, by using a combination of the buttons, you can get different sounds out of the system as well. All of which are described in the manual, and you can see there's a number of different combinations of buttons that give you different sounds. And the chuff in the steam module is also you can also synchronize it and tweak it so that it matches the rotations of your steam locomotives as well. So that's a quick demo of the QSI Maxx Traxx sound system, number 604 for the small steam locomotive.